Welcome everyone, parents, students, principals, educators, school leaders and neuroscientists. This is Brain Learnography, a new frontier of school system and the brain science of knowledge transfer developed and created by cerebellar from Nepal. Learning is knowledge transfer. Learning is knowledge transfer to a student's brain, known as learnography, the universal theory of reading, writing, working, and understanding. This is the brain science of knowledge transfer to produce high-performing students in school system. Teaching is everything in school system. But it does not conduct learning transfer to a student's brain in the classroom. Teaching is everything in school system, but it does not conduct learning transfer to a student's brain in the classroom. It's true. Take a test just after the teaching, and you will find that students can't write answers, solutions in the classroom just after the teaching. If a test is arranged to evaluate the quality of students, you will find that teaching doesn't work for the process of knowledge transfer in the classroom. So, it is obvious, it is clear. In education system, that teaching is everything. In school system, a teacher is doing everything in the classroom, and students are doing nothing except listening, watching, and talking. Teaching is everything in school system, but it does not conduct learning transfer to a student's brain in the classroom. School hour is spent mostly on teaching activities. Students don't get time to read, learn, and solve the task problems of knowledge chapters in the classroom. The necessity of homework is justified because of the teaching theories. In this way, home is made school, and parents have to play the role of teachers. It shows students' learning is never completed in the classroom. That is why homework is given for home learning. Learnography deals with the brainpage theory of knowledge transfer, and it states that students' learning must be finished completely in the classroom by applying the dimensions of learning mechanism. It is possible only in the cerebellar learnography of a student's brain. When book-to-brain knowledge transfer runs in the learning process and problem-solving activities. Classroom is also a school because teaching is conducted in the classroom, and home is also a school because homework is done at home. We have to change this culture of school system. Homework culture is not necessary in education system. It happens because of teaching theories of education. Teaching is everything in the classroom. That is why homework is given to students. Learning is not finished completely in the classroom. What are the drawbacks of education system? Why is education system not effective in the classroom to conduct a whole knowledge transfer? Number one, teaching is everything in school, but home learning is prescribed for problem-solving activities. 2. Brainpage of subject matter is not made in the classroom because of teaching performance. 3. Working mechanism of a student's brain is not applied for understanding and learning. Learning management of classroom is not good in education system, but teaching management is not bad in education system. Number 5. Beta version is the learning mechanism of technology, and teaching isn't the beta version of book-to-brain knowledge transfer. Thank you. Thank you very much for the watching of Taxila 2020. This is a Learnography, a new frontier and future of education and school system. Learnography is knowledge transfer to a student's brain known as Learnography, universal theory of knowledge transfer. It should be running in the classroom.